In this video, I use the program Adobe Photoshop to edit textures and make them seamless for use in models. To begin with, we are using a texture provided by the tutor of a dirt path. Before we can begin properly editing the video, we must change the image size so that it's 4096 pixels by 4096 pixels, as that is the highest quality we can achieve. Once that is complete, we then have to unlock the background so that it is separate, and thus we will be able to edit the canvas size to be the same as the image size. We then have to duplicate the image, drag it down so that it properly covers the canvas. This will create a seam of sorts that we then have to create a mask and blend out using the black paintbrush tool. We can also edit out any blurring in the image itself using this tool, though there is another option that we use later in the video called cloning. In order to properly use cloning, we must add another layer for the effects of this tool, setting it to read for this layer and below, as otherwise it will not pick up on anything. Before we can place any new objects, we must first select what we wish to clone by holding down the Alt key and pressing in specific areas. We can do this to get rid of any repeating images in our texture, such as large rocks or patches of gravel. We do this for all of it before reaching the point where we can now begin to offset the image. This is done by going to the Filters tab and selecting Other before selecting Offset. For the values that we adjust, we go for 2048 pixels to the right and 2048 pixels down vertically, as it is half of the max size of our canvas. This once again will create some quite severe seams, which using the clone tool once again we can go back and edit. Finally, by pressing the Shift, Alt and E keys, Control Shift Alt and E keys, we can merge every layer that we have used so far in a non-destructive manner, making it easier for exporting.